Good day to all, this is Carl Kalika and welcome back. It's been a long time since I last posted what we call this long form video, but let's create few more long forms this year. I'll start with showing you guys what I recently bought from Green Zone. So I'll start with the easy one, no? Yung dalawang binili natin na good for beginners. Sorry, I just need to get scissors. Yan, so 4 plants lang naman ito. I bought 2 gymnocalyciums, magkaiba ng form. So one is crested, crestate form. This one. Yan. So this is the crestate form. Hindi siya yung normal form na pabilog lang. And the other one is variegated naman siya na hybrid ng tawag dito, hybrid ng sepia. Originally, hindi ito yung nakuha ko, kaya lang nagkaroon daw ng rot yung ni-reserve kong plant. Mas maganda sana yung yung intensity ng pagka-black nung epidermis ng cacti. Pero yun nga, so ito yung pinalit ni Green Zone na plant. So this is Gymnocalycium crested form. Then the other Gymnocalycium na binili natin ay si sepia hybrid. So yung color ng sepia, kaya siya naging sepia yung tawag kasi yung color niya is parang sepia, the sepia ng photos. So ganoon yung color nung original na appearance nito. So yung kuha naman ito ay yung variegation niya. Yun naman yung reason kung bakit ito yung kinuha ko. So this one is the form, yung mutation niya na pagka-crested, and this one naman ay yung color ng pagka-sepia niya. So etong dalawang to ay Gymnocalycium. Ito yung actually most of the time sila suggest namin for beginners. Yan. So requirement naman ito, the usual 3 things lang, 3 main things: the soil mix, sunlight, as well as watering. So sa soil mix, dapat gritty yung soil mo. Make sure na madali siyang mag-drain, hindi nag-retain yung water dun sa soil mix. But make sure pa rin na meron pa rin enough source of nutrients yung plants natin coming from the soil. So maganda pa rin na merong organic material yung soil natin, kasi important pa rin naman sa growth nila yung nutrients na nakukuha sa soil. And the sunlight, so make sure lang na they get enough sunlight. For me, at least morning sun, pero better kapag full sun yung binibigay natin sa cactus and succulents natin para ma-attain din yung good coloration as well as healthy form. This one is Tephrococcus molinensis. So ito, matagal ko na itong gustong bilhin. Pero ang takot ko kasi sa kanya, yung spines. Ano na tawag doon? Basta yung spines na, minsan kasi may ganito na makates. I'm not actually sure. Pero cute kasi yung form ng molinensis. And last plant natin dito sa hole na to, Avonia cinaria. Caudiciform. Sorry na. Yan. So, Avonia cinaria SSP from South Africa, from Rare Plants. Yan. Yung una ko nito is actually triple the size or 4 times the size pa. Actually, ganyan siya kalaki. Kasya siya dito sa pot nito. So, almost ganito na siya kalaki. Natumba lang yung pot. Tapos, nung na-repot ko siya, biglang umulan. So, nalusaw. Nag-overheat yung ilaw ko. Sorry na. Ayan. So, this is Avonia cinaria. Ayan. So, first ko siyang nakita kay Ron Apostol. Ayan. So, ito naman medyo mahirap talaga siyang alagaan. So, one time na binili ko to, ang sabi sa akin ng seller, make sure na it's super gritty. It's a combination of parang dapat meron ka pa sa baba ng mga charcoal just to make sure na talagang walang extra moisture. I think that's it for this video. So again, for plants, Gymnocalcium best for newbies, for beginners. Tephrococcus is also good for newbies, Tephrococcus polinensis, and of course, Avonia cinaria. So that's it. Thank you and maraming salamat.